Welcome back to my April update for Pan Those Eyeshadows. In the month of April, I was working on those 4 shades from Wizard, this gold shade from Bobbi Brown, and these 2 singles, one from Urban Decay in Space Cowboy and the other from Charlotte Tilbury in Diamond Eyes. This first shade from Wizard was rolled over from month of March and I needed to use it additionally 8 more times and I've managed to hit my goal. The second shade was also rolled over and it needed 12 more uses and I've managed to do it. And these 2 were new roll-ins in month of April. The first one I have used it 17 times and the second one I've used it 16 times, so I haven't met my goal on 26 uses on both of them. This gold one from Bobbi Brown was also rolled over and it needed additional 11 uses and I've managed to use it 11 times, so these 3 will be rollouts. And when it comes to single shades, I need to use them 10 times before I can roll them over and I've managed to hit my goal on both of the shades. So I'll be rolling out those 2 shades, this one and both of the single shades. And since both of them have 10 or less uses, I'll be rolling a replacement for both of them so I can rotate through my collection faster. So let's roll the dice. I will be throwing it 5 times, all 4 from this shade and this gold one. And here are numbers of my palette. So let's throw the dice for the first time. Number 4 is actually from this Tartlet Fresh Pick. So my goal is to hit 10 or 26 uses on each of the shades and I can roll them 2 times. But if the shade already has pen in it, I can roll it in a project only 1 time to expand the pen. The second palette will be number 3, which is this Bobbi Brown. Since I have already worked on this gold shade 2 times in this project, I will automatically use this brown one that has already been rolled in 1 time, and now once I hit 26 uses, this palette will be completely rolled out of this project. The next palette will be from number 1, which is Viviar, the brown palette, and it looks like this. Right now these 3 of the shades are from this palette and this one, so actually this one cannot be rolled in since it has already been rolled in 2 times, so I will skip the number 9 and this will be 9. Next palette will be number 5, which is my Wizard Black palette. It looks like this and these shades come from this palette, and so once I chose my shades, I will just put them in this magnetic palette. And the last palette that I will be working on is number 4, which is again from this Tartlet palette that I have custom made it. I will put my singles to the side and choose on which shades I will be working on. So first I will put this one back and also this one. Those 2 are staying. So first let's roll the dice for the pens from this Wizard palettes. So let's start with the first one. This is the brown one. I will be working on number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now from the black palette, I will be working on number 3, this dark brown. And now let's roll the dice for the Tartlet palette. So each of the dice will represent their number. Since I have chose 2 pens from this palette, the first one is number 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this pink one. And the second is number 6, so if you go through 5, this one is 6. And now let's roll in for replacement for singles. Here are the numbers, and I cannot roll 2 singles. One is from Urban Decay Space Cowboy. I cannot roll in this one since I have used it 2 times. And the other one is from Charlotte Tilbury Hypnotizing Pop Shot in Pillow Talk Diamond Dimension. So I will be skipping number 3 and 4, and I will count 5 as 3, 6 as 4, and 7 as 5. So now let's choose a single shade. So the first one will be number 2, which is Charlotte Tilbury Hypnotizing Pop Shot in Diamond Eyes, which will be again this one that I have already been working on in month of April. So a gold with sparkles. And the second one will be number 6, so 1, 2, then we will skip 3, 4, 5, and 6 will be Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize in Rose Gold. This is a cream one, and this one was already rolled in 1 time, so those will be rolled in for the last time. And I have almost forgot for this brown from Bobbi Brown. And now let's swatch the shades. This is my color story for month of May. Those 2 shades needs to be used 26 times. This one 9 times, 10 times. And now those 3 26 times, or before I hit the pen on those. And then the last 2 10 times.